Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to find your YouTube channel URL link on your phone. This will work on the mobile YouTube app after the new update in 2020. But anyways, I'll show you guys how to do it. So all you have to do is go over to your YouTube application, and then to get your channel link, your channel URL, you want to go click on your channel icon at the top, then click on your channel. Then you'll see the three dots in the top right corner. You want to click on those. Then just click on share. And then here you'll be able to copy link. And then now you can go ahead and send that to your friends or post it on social media. Now, if you're looking to get a different channel's link, you want to go over to that channel. You want to find the channel, click on the little profile icon for them. And then once you're on their page here, you can go to the top right again, click on the three dots, click on share, and then go ahead and copy their link and then share that channel with your friends as well. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you how to get to the YouTube channel URL links on your iPhones after the new update. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.